sloshed, rager, and booze. Those three words might sound like an alien language to you, but in America, those are actually really common words that we use at parties. So let's go to a party and hear what people are using. Wow, love the fit. Thanks, dude, I'm pretty sloshed. Me too, I'm wasted. Ugh, this party is lit. I know, I'm shook. I didn't know it was supposed to be such a rager. Eric told me it was gonna be super low key. Yeah, man, he really flexed on this one. I mean, free booze and a DJ? He's so extra. Oh, I love this song, Teenage Dream by Katy Perry. Man, what a banger. Come on, let's hit the dance floor. I am so down. You gonna show me your sick moves? Duh, let's boogie. Number 1, fit. Fit is a super cool way to say outfit, what you're wearing. Fit. 2 and 3 are sloshed and wasted. Both are just ways to say very drunk. Number 4, lit. Lit can either mean awesome, for example, this party is lit, or it can also mean drunk. I got lit last night, for example. 5, shook. I'm shook. That means I'm surprised, I'm shocked, I can't believe it, I'm shook. 6, rager. A rager is a wild and crazy party. 7, low-key, the opposite of a rager. For example, chess night, bingo night. It's a very calm, relaxed, chill, not crazy get-together. To flex is to show off. To be extra is to be over the top, to be excessive. Booze just means alcohol, right? We had a lot of booze last night. A banger is a really good song, like, oh, this song is such a banger. Don't get that confused with to bang, which means to have sex. To hit the dance floor just means let's go get on the dance floor and dance. I'm down, a baño, right? I'm in, let's do it. Sick, the opposite of actually being sick is just really cool, right? That's sick, dude. Moves is just how you move your body or moving your body. So for example, you have good moves could be like good dance moves, or let's make a move could mean let's go, let's move our bodies, put ourselves into action. And the last one, to boogie, is just dance moves, right? Let's go boogie means let's go dance. Okay, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope now you feel a little bit more comfortable feeling super cool and hip at a party in America. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you. See you again next time.